Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Capcut project and positioning the playhead exactly where the caption should appear. Tap Text and choose Add Text. Pick a preset or blank layer depending on consistency needs. Once added, drag the text clip edges to set duration and preview playback so you confirm timing. Make sure to keep captions visible through cuts since you want them readable. If speech overlaps, shorten caption spans or split into multiple blocks for clarity. You now refine what the caption says and how it reads. Double tap the text to edit content and prefer sentence case for faster comprehension. Explain why. Readers scan, not read every character. Then customize font, size, color, outline, and shadow so the caption contrasts against your footage. Adjust position and line spacing for safe frame compliance. Once done, lock that caption or save as a template before duplicating to ensure consistent formatting across the timeline. Finish by precisely matching caption timing to the audio waveform. Split and nudge the caption edges when speech is fast. Once aligned, export a short test clip and view on both phone and desktop to confirm size and legibility. If captions jump or shift during transitions, inspect keyframes or make the text a sticker layer to bypass some motion settings. If problems persist, restart the app and reapply the style. This often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.